Gypsum drywall installation video. Fire Rey. Required materials: 5/8 inch Fire Rey Type X gypsum panel, 6 1¼ inch drywall screws, Ready Mix Ultima Light compound, paper tape, R11 fiberglass insulation. Tools to be used: tray, 6, 8, 10, and 12 inch putty knives, drywall saw, multi-purpose knife, tape measure, level, electric screwdriver, T-square, rasp, banjo, drill, mud mixer, pencil. Before starting the insulation, having all the tools and materials mentioned in this video is necessary. Preparation of the gypsum panel. Cut the Fire Rey Type X 5/8 inch gypsum panel according to your project's needs. On the inner part of the panel, using a T-square for guidance, mark a line where you want to cut. Then, cut only the cardboard with a multi-purpose knife. Apply slight pressure to break the panel, and finish by cutting the brown cardboard on the back face. To obtain a smooth and perfect edge, sand the edges of the exposed gypsum core with a rasp. Placement of the gypsum panel on the frame. Secure the panel with 6 1 1/4 inch screws every 16 inches along the intermediate studs and every 16 inches on the end studs. Assure the edge and end joints between panels are perfectly joined. Note: make sure to place the edge joints between the panels with the cut side of the labels. Preparation and application of the compound. In a bucket, add a box of Ultima Light Panel Rey compound. Using a low-speed drill and a drywall mud mixer, mix until the product is completely homogeneous. If necessary, add water and mix to achieve the appropriate consistency for jointing. First step: using mechanical tools like a banjo or bazooka, apply the jointing system to all joints, including the corners. Once the Panel Rey paper tape is in place, flatten and remove the excess around the paper tape with a 6-inch putty knife to ensure better adhesion to the gypsum panel surface. For the treatment and coverage of screws, use a 6-inch putty knife, which will facilitate filling and covering the screws more quickly and efficiently. It is recommended to let the Panel Rey paper tape dry for 24 hours after this process. Second step: once the paper tape is dry, prepare and apply the first coat with the help of an 8-inch putty knife. Afterward, apply the second coat to cover the screws with a 6-inch putty knife. Once the first layer of the compound is dry, apply the second layer with a 12-inch putty knife. To finish, apply a very thin final coat of compound with a 10-inch putty knife to eliminate any imperfections generated during the previous applications. Third step: once the application of all compound layers is complete and has dried, you can begin the sanding process using the manual tools like a sanding head. Panel Rey products provide a smooth finish ideal for applying paint or any desired finish. Treatment of interior corners. After cutting the reinforcing tape along the wall, fold the tape in half lengthwise. Apply joint compound in a 4 cm wide layer with a 6-inch putty knife on each side of the corner. Place the tape along the entire corner and press it firmly against the corner. Then press with the putty knife on the sides that form this interior angle. Allow this first layer to dry completely and apply the second layer, which should be 2 inches wider on each side. Repeat this process for a third layer, which should be 2 inches wider than the previous one. Allow it to dry and then sand. Finishing. In this project, texture will be applied using our spray texture Panel Rey product with the help of a hopper texture gun. After this, proceed to paint with acrylic paint, and your project will be completed. We hope this video has been very useful to you, and that Panel Rey solutions become part of your projects. See you in the next installation video to plan your next project.